Khona also social media that make this March in March thing a way of them getting likes on social media. Kanti serious lento. You can't be a victim, uzenzi victim ngento ezusiza wena. You saying stuff like, oh, I'm so dark, I have an accent to me, I cannot join March in March or walk alongside the Zulus because they're going to mistake me for a foreigner. That is your excuse in your own country where you belong. Maybe you feel foreign in your own country because you stand for nothing in your own country. You refuse to make any change. You want the change to be made for you. Shuthi wonke namadoda lapha kwi-March in March uwabona ngokuthi mhlawumbe amhlophe ukuthi amaZulu, ukuthi they are South Africans. Amhlophe wonke lamadoda shuthi ongizwe nje ama-yellow bone. You guys are making any and every excuse to cancel out too much. One thing goes wrong, March in March. This is for the country. This is for the people. Niyayazi country it's ibolile. Zolo lokho benjabula, there's a Madlanga commission, abantu bayabosha left and right. Eskom, this is one other guy that was ripping off Eskom, which affected the whole country. Benjabula ko yonke lento when it was revealed. Yabo? Nisaw iyabuya country. Ngicabanga ukuthi umsebenzi uphelele lapho. Awuphelelanga lapho umsebenzi. Yekani ukuzenza ama-victim like TikTok ukuthi ngimnyama mina, ngine-accent. Hamba, join i-march when uyazazi ukuthi wa South Africa. Join i-march, make a change in your own country. Why ngama-victims? And you'll be quick to call Zulu people out and say they are very tribalistic. It's because when you don't include yourself in things that actually matter in your own country. And the March in March does not say foreigners have to leave, just any foreigner. Illegal foreigners. Landela umthetho walapho hlala khona. Landela umthetho and leave as the people are leaving of that country. When you go to Rome, you act like Romans. When uzofika South Africa, wenza umathanda wakho. Hawu ningasidini nina abantu. We are fixing one problem, nani visa ezeni inkinga. If you don't feel like you belong in South Africa, it's because you don't belong and you've alienated yourself from any movement. It has nothing to do with the Zulu people.
South Africa, this thing who try who ostracize the Zulu nation needs to stop. Okay? South Africa does not suffer from tribalism. Let me say it again. We don't have tribalism issues in South Africa. And if you see this video, please share it and like it and comment, because this young man was killed by xenophobic attack. The video is going viral. The truth is on this video. So share it, please. Some of us, we have DNAs of 4 or 5 different tribes. All grandparents, we have multiple tribal DNAs in us. So this political party A is spread on this rhetoric. You need to stop and call them out. And actually, now, Lady Chirwa, you need to apologize for saying this young man was unalived by a xenophobic mob. The police are saying he was unalived by his friend, and there's evidence of people coming out to say he was into shady business. You, Naledi Chirwa, you should be responsible enough as a member of parliament to know you need to verify your information before you spread it like that. I mean, what does it benefit you to divide our people like that? Do you not want illegal immigrants to go, oh, yeah, Ghana, you don't. But stop the lies, please.
In a shack, the empty shack that the owner wasn't there. And the owner of the shack accosted them inside the shack. And then the deceased ran away. They were there to take some goods for themselves. And then there are this 15-year-old then hid himself under the bed in the shack, and whilst the owner was chasing this one, and then which apparently accosted him and then it was dead. Which we were looking for him was murder. That's murder.
South Africa doesn't have tribalism issue. You know your neighbor is Tonga. My friend opposite is Tonga. The other one is Sotho. Hey, and we're not gonna let them put this on us. Oksalayo, we have illegal immigration issue. Mabahambe.
Hey, wenganza kwethu njani ngiyathemba naphila. Hey, ubafethu alipheli usuku zingekho indaba ezokumangaza osukwini. bafethu siyathola ukuthi laphana endaweni yase-Eastern Cape eMossel Bay kubulawe umfana laphona 19 iminyaka goes by the name of uNhlamulo oyinsonga by trap. So bafethu lokhu umzali wakhe kuma wakhe uvelile enkundleni zokuxhumana ethi ingane yakhe bayibulele lapha e-Eastern Cape just because ikumphakathi odominate amaXhosa and yona isikhuluma isiXhosa. Isono sengane yakhe ukuthi ayisikhuluma isiXhosa nje ikhuluma isiTsonga bafethu. That's why ibe i-victim yabulawa kulama marshal mashade ekhona lapha endaweni yase-Eastern Cape. Bafethu lokho siyakubona ku-trend na social media okwenza ukuthi i-EFF ingene shinge ekhala ifuna ukubukwa ngokusho kwabanye abantu enkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi befuna ukubuka i-EFF ingene i-EFF yasebenzisa ukushona komfana omncane una-19 yakuthatha yakwenza yakujika yakwenza i-narrative yabo to protect ama-illegal foreigners that are in our country. I-EFF ivelile-ke ama-members amaningi e-EFF kuzoqama nelinye imember ye-EFF esephalamende uNaledi Chirwa naye bekhona ekhuluma ethi kahle kahle just because umntwana was not a Zulu speaking or a Xhosa speaking child, he was murdered just because he is speaking Shangani. So thola ukuthi bafethu umfana obulewe okuNhlamulo ukhuluma uyinsonga ukhuluma isiShangane ilime njalo njalo. So bafethu kukho konke lokho kuyonke idrama kuyonke into ebikhozwa i-EFF iphusha ithi justice must be served for a 19-year-old child that was killed in a form of tribalism njalo njalo. Siyathola bafethu ukuthi umfana lo una-19 utholakala endlini kahle kahle utholakala emkhukhwini thizeni lapho khona umnikazi womkhukhu ubengekho ngani zakwethu umnikazi womkhukhu esaphumile ethi bathe mebuye umnikazi womkhukhu watholakala bona labafana abawu-2 wathola bona abafana abawu-2 umnikazi womkhukhu whereas omunye wabo kuyena uNhlamulo lobulewe uzamile ukuphuma yena wabaleka okuyilapho khona umnikazi womkhukhu amjahe khona waze wamgwaza wambulala bafethu. Lo munye usalileke ngokusho kwamaphoyisa le update iphume kumaphoyisa today ukuthi kahle kahle umfana kabulawanga abantu bebemasha kodwa umfana ubeyisigebengu ubengene kwi-shark noma ubengene emkhukhwini ezokweba something umnikazi lo mkhukhu wamfica phakathi umfana ebalekile and ngebhadi waficakala umfana omncane wagwaza washona omunye wasinda ukuthi becashile ngokusho kwama wakho kuthiwa becashe phansi emva kwesicapha kanti ngokwamaphoyisa athi amaphoyisa lo munye usinda ngoba ukwazile nokucasha phansi kombhede whereas umngane wakhe ephuma ebaleke ethi uyabaleka ngebhadi ke waficakala wagwaza washona. May his soul rest in peace and kubhlungu ukubona kahle kahle intsha ishona but bafethu kahle kahle kuyonke le narrative ade ipushwa i-EFF iphusha into ye-tribalism bafethu isebenzisa lokho ngoba ifuna ukuphusha i-narrative yabo yokuthi kumele kuvotela ukuthi kumele ama-illegal foreigners eqhubeke bese South Africa. So yapigcina isithatha le example yamfana kanti umfana kuyatholakala ukuthi umfana ubeyisigebengu wengane zakwethu ubetshontsha uficakele endaweni etshontsha efica umnikazi wendlu. Hayi-ke kodwa ukuthi bafethu amaphoyisa athi encourage noma akuncumile lokho kwenziwa umuntu obulala umfana but athi asamkhangela namanje asamfuna kodwa khona iqiniso lithi umfana lowana akabulawanga inkinga yama-marshal nanokuthi akakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu nesiXhosa ubulawe only if ubulawe just because ubeyisigebengu ubeyisela ubulawe eyojontsha. Ngane zakwethu kuningi ukushiya abantu ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana abanye bayasho bathi i-EFF kahle kahle kuphelile ngayo i-EFF iyathanda ukufaka ikhala layo izama ukushintsha izinto ey'thile izenze ukuthi zibe ngendlela ethile so that bezokwazi ukuthi bethole i-popularity ku-social media. Bafethu umbuzo wabanye kwenziwa yini ukuthi abantu abafana noNaledi Chirwa beqambukele befaka amakhala abo bengakaze benze ngisho i-proper research bephushe ama-narrative a-wrong since siyazi ukuthi oNaledi Chirwa abantu abane-followers eningi since they are there ba-represent i-EFF eParliament. So izinto ey'shoyo bona ziyashesha kalula ukubhebhetheka bafethu noma ziyashesha ukuhamba ziye phambili whereas ezinye zabo zingamanga. Bafethu uthini umbono wenu phakathi kuma-comment mayelana ngokushona kwamfana omncane okwaziwe lapho na-19 uNhlamulo ngizozwa ngani wengane zakwethu ukuthi nithini ngalolu daba futhi nithini nge-EFF sithanda ukufaka ikhala ey'ndaweni ey'ningi ishintshe izinto ibeke zibe false emphakathini kube ngaziyiqiniso.
So amaphoyisa ase-Western Cape akhulumile ukuthi hayi le ntwana nomngane wakhe babebaganga kahle kahle. Hayi ngikhuluma into ekhuluma yamaphoyisa Western Cape Police base bakhulumile ukuthi kahle lentwana nomngani wakhe babe baganga lento this thing yakhe yokusteja has nothing to do with ama anti-illegal foreigner protest or march and march Phakile Mthakathi and you know ama protest concerning illegal immigration in the country. There's nothing to do with that. Ibe crime, a plain crime. Babe baganga umnikazi walomkhukhu ubatholile lapho nanan go and hear it for yourself. Khona lapho ku internet. Bebe anganga ngash. I did say, let us say for example that this matter was related somehow. Ukuthi some abanye they found an opportunity to use ama march to commit crimes. Nakhona imarch and march nabo Phakile and South Africans whatever abangeni ndawo ngoba these marches the moral character of these marches is they are peaceful. Akushawa umuntu akekho umuntu uzotshontshela akekho umuntu no one is going to take a monies or stock of illegal foreigners bazotshela ukuthi ayi bafowethu yana emakhaya and go and fix your own countries. Kodwa some of you were itching to make this thing xenophobia so that it can fit your narrative. You were so itching, some of you analysts, you were so itching that the death of this boy, the stabbing of this young man, could be related to march and march and the protest. You were so itching so that it can fit your narrative. Shame on you. You don't want the truth. What you want is anything so that you can discredit in march and march, so that this movement can be looked in a bad way, so that this thing of saying people should go home and fix their own country can go away. Ngoba anifuni ukuthi abantu who are illegal here should go home, because you want illegality in the country. Some of you are proposing that these people should be documented. Documenting criminality. People who are in the country criminally so. Ladies and gentlemen, lentwana Nhlamulo ubekanga nomngani wakhe amaphoyisa asho kanjani. Ngiyacela ke ninama analyst nani. You were itching. You were so itching for this story to stick. Uchirwa yena kahle kahle. Lo sisi wase EFF. Uchirwa kahle kahle. We must have a petition or something. I don't know what's a legal thing to be done. She's a member of parliament and she was peddling lies. Uguti March and March is responsible for this. She must be held to the highest standard and accountability. Loa Chira lady of EFF. And I was surprised to even find that statement Zake from X. Zaka Chira. Umalema actually retweeted that. How low will you stoop? How low shall you stoop? As a politician, as a member of parliament, sitting in significant committees, to push an agenda and a narrative that says, march and march, Phakile Mthakathi Ngizwe, and the rest of South Africans are xenophobic. How low will you stoop to say this is a tribalism thing? How low will you stoop? Witness Mdaga. How low will you stoop? Are you going to apologize now? Since the police official have said, no, this lentwana bekanga lentwana. Some of you say, no, but abazali, umama ute, no, this way was xenophobic related. My question then, if Isumama is still sticking to that story, as it is alleged that she's sticking to that story, was she there? Has she investigated? Yeah, you are trying by all means to attach this thing, criminal, a clear-cut criminal thing, to discredit the legitimate marches of South Africans against illegal foreigners. You've tried your tribalistic things, Nyazama. You are actually dividing us as South Africans. You are trying, by the way. And I can see you're trying to even try to isolate Limpopo. Limpopo singing. No, they are coming to Limpopo. South Africa is one, and it shall be one, because we are one people. This is a struggle of all of us in the country. I saw a video of a couple of guys who are speaking paid. I'm not paid. They were chasing another truck. Hey, where are you coming from? Little guy. I think here in Mpumalanga somewhere. We coming from Nelspruit. Okay. There is a video that is trending. No. What about I? Samaya. Likase kelko dulamo. Agel tsebelo re hlaka le bomang lena le passport. Ai tsamaya. Every South African has woken up. Ninabo witness mutagani company and those that think like you. Abo sandile swana. Nkale go tiniye get this thing yenu bafowethu. Ngiyancela bakithi. Ngoba i-analysis yenu i-reference yakhona it's off the chart. You are even using lies and propaganda to substantiate your belief, Uguti. These marches are xenophobic because they are mostly been led by Zulus. You people with your nonsensical analysis, you are trying to divide the country. We will not be divided. We are one. This pain of illegal immigration, it is a South African pain.
Losses laws bizango gaps wevar. As today I've been perusing through her profile, and what I have to say is that, guys, this lady hates South Africans. She's against South Africans. I wonder the way she hates her own country. I'm even questioning myself, is she even South African, Lucis? Because she's against South Africans, and where is on the country? On the country. Not Julius Malema is on the country. Girl is making sure her message is out there, and it makes us look bad for fighting for our country and defending our country, for addressing the issues affecting us as South Africans. We never said we are killing anyone. Whether Nigerians bringing drugs, Somalians selling us fake food, Zimbabweans committing crime, Mozambicans raping young kids, we never said we are killing anyone. We said abahambe. The message is clear. No one is being killed here. Abahambe. Sibone ukuthi okay, as a country, since bangekho labantu aba-add more problems to our problems. Where to from now? Asikaze sathi siyabulala abantu. Ungalingi usikhulumela into engekho sisi. Akekho umuntu othe ubulala anyone. Ubukhala la uphuma namafinyela telling us ukuthi we killed uNhlamulo Sambo. Only to find out ukuthi boy died doing his normal criminal activities. Ubentshontsha with his friend and got stabbed and died. Ususithukile thina wasitshela zonke into ezimbi. Uthini manje? My sister, you hate your country and you hate yourself. You hate your country. Yabona ekubeni uyazi ukuthi how this illegal foreigners issue is affecting us. Ubuzobona ukuthi abantu bakhathele and bakhathele ngempela. You go to Joburg and see how dirty Joburg is. Ama-flats being hijacked. Bakakela phakathi kuma-ground floor. Balahlela udoti kuma-ground floor. Bafaka imbuzi neenkukhu. They have livestock in Joburg. Hamba eJoes, Hillbrow. Go to Kempton Park, Rosettenville. You will see how foreigners are destroying this country and people are tired. Angikhulumi like ngasema-garage, ema-restaurants. They are occupying those positions. Bagcwele lapho. Go to firms. You will see that South Africa has jobs. It's just that because the country is lawless, it is this stupid and useless government who's doing nothing. Labor laws, immigration laws, they are being walked over because we are being led by fools, by criminals themselves. People are doing as they please. People are hiring illegal foreigners with no documents. Yet South Africans are staying at home. This narrative which is South Africans are lazy Janjan. Vuka ngo 5 o'clock ekuseni. Onoma ngo 3 and wait outside. Ubheke South Africans up already going to taxis. heading to work. To show ukuthi ama-South Africans lento yokuthi thina we are lazy nani ayikho. Vuka ngo-3 o'clock ubheke la. Abantu bahamba going to work. South Africans, the ones that you are claiming ukuthi they are lazy. People like you mina bayanginyanyisa because you are pushing this narrative ukuthi thina xenophobic. We've allowed abantu abamnyama la kule country, as you said ukuthi uTrump uthathi ama-Afrikaners. uTrump is treating ama-Afrikaners lapha as ama-refugee. They are not enjoying anything the citizens abayi-enjoyayo. As an asylum seeker or a refugee, you don't get to enjoy any benefits of citizens of that particular country. That is Donald Trump. Sibamkelile la. Kusincede ngani? Today we have drugs. Amantombazane young as 15, they're being kidnapped in Kempton Park, forced into prostitution by Nigerians. Zimbabweans are killing Uber drivers, committing crimes, cash and transit. Mozambicans, like, they're raping young kids. Somalians are selling us fake food and poisonous food. Wasikhulile wena.
Once waqala wanxiba njengale uniform or wanxiba le uniform, khohlwa hayi khohlwa mtshana. I remember ndisanxiba le uniform andihlezi nje ndikwi-mood yo-attacker umuntu noma ngaba kenzanga next. Ndihlezi ndikwi-mood yoku-disrespect elders. Biza abotata uRamaphosa ngoRamaphosa, abotata uZuma ngoZuma. At a young age, just imagine ndimncane kanjani. Angisiboni isidingo sokuhlonipha abantu abadala. Hleze funwa nje explainer nje like akunasidingo into icacile uhlezi nje ufuna explainer. Guys, funa ukutrenda, funa ukwemood yokusuwa someone, ukwemood yokuvula icase for somebody nje just for le uniform nje. Hlezi nginikeza nje lo vibe nje. Good people. Izabo utata just imagine amaxhego wabantu utata uRobert ngamagama Robert at a young age. This uniform ikunika lo power nje ukuthi uthi forte Donald Trump forte. Then I started to realize ukuthi no. Ayikhona. This is not me, man. And xa uqeda ukuyikhulula uzolala uba yi-1 ekhaya. Zibuye zonke into uqeda ukuzenza the whole day because wena uyi-revolutionist, wena uyi-fighter, wena especially umntana okhuliswe ecaweni njengami. Zibuye zonke imfundiso zakho kwenu zikukhuze. Akakafiki umuntu ozokhuza ngeso sikhathi. Ukhuzwa nje izimfundiso zakho kwenu. Isazela sikuhle. I was like every day ndiyohlezi ndifila so, ndiyohlezi ndifila guilty kanje. Just because kumele ndi-impress uMalema. That guy is a millionaire, mina I have nothing most. And there's not even anything ebonisa ukuthi lo muntu lona ngasuka esikhundleni ukuthi nathi sonke sithole opportunity or sibone umuntu omncane eba president kule EFF. I was like no bro. Instead I'm creating enemies for myself. Indlela iba ncane for mina because now family members now are no longer interested in anything that I say, in anything that, because it's a violence all the way. If it's not a violence, I'm ready to sue anyone. But mina hlezi ngithuka abantu. Ayikhona bafethu. Hayi khuzani madoda kuyonakala ngeke. Khuzani. South Africa is for South Africans. We put South Africans first. Simile lapho. And anything that is threatening their lives, siyayisusa manje, siyaclean country.
He wasn't killed because he was Tonga. He was killed because he was Amapara. Don't get me wrong, the death of this teenager is still very tragic. But y'all were very quick to jump on the, yeah, you see, it's Jacinta's fault. Yeah, you see, March and March. Yeah, you see, tribalism. Not even South Africans are safe anymore. Wada. Y'all are very quiet.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Siyadinga ukuthi siyatrenda kakhulu story Nhlamulo lo bamdelete lapha eMossel Bay lebe kuvakala ukuthi ubulawe ama-members eMarch and March because he couldn't speak other language ngaphandle kwesiTsonga, so bam-mistake for being a foreigner. But that story honestly didn't make sense to a lot of people and maphoyisa confirmile ukuthi bambulale because bekayoganga yontshontsha abamthola bamgwaza bambulala. So even moka kupusha that narratives ma-members e-EFF, they are also pushing that narrative because we know ukuthi abayifuni March and March, abafuni ucoshe ama-foreigners. Unaledi Chirwa-ke uyadrekwa kakhulu apha enkundleni yokuxhumana nasi IC wakhe uMalema unaledi nguyela phosha kakhulu enzabe ukuthi ubulawa ama-members e-EFF, ma-members March and March rather waze wayi reposta leya tweet yakhe uCIC yakhe uMalema, and people are saying ukuthi are you guys really stooping that low nize nicambe manga nifune ukuthi nithi umfana lo Nhlamulo ubulawa ama-members March and March, knowing exactly ukuthi bekayoganga. Why are you guys lying? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.